Welcome to Angola, a stunning country nestled on the western coast of southern Africa. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the hidden gems that await us here. Welcome, explorers, to an exciting journey unveiling the top 10 fascinating facts about the vibrant and diverse country of Angola. Let's dive in. Fact number 1. Angola is the 7th largest country in Africa, covering an area of over 1.2 million square kilometers. Angola boasts a coastline adorned with breathtakingly beautiful beaches, from the golden shores of Cabo Ledo to the tranquil landscapes of Masulo. Each beach offers a unique charm. Clear turquoise waters gently meet the sandy expanses, creating a picturesque backdrop. The beaches of Angola invite visitors to indulge in relaxation, water activities, and the captivating beauty of the Atlantic coastline. Fact number 2. Angola is known for its beautiful coastline, stretching over 1,600 kilometers along the Atlantic Ocean. You'll be mesmerized by its stunning beaches and breathtaking sunsets. Number 3. Did you know that Angola is the second largest oil producer in Africa? This natural resource plays a significant role in the country's economy. Angola is a significant player in the global oil industry, with oil production being a cornerstone of its economy. Fact number 4. Angola is home to the iconic Tundavela fissure, a natural wonder that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. Standing on the edge will make your heart skip a beat. Fact number 5. Angola's traditional cuisine is a true delight for food lovers. From delicious muamba de galinha to funge and kalulu, you'll experience a diverse and flavorful gastronomic journey. Angolan cuisine is a flavorful fusion of indigenous flavors, Portuguese influence, and African culinary traditions. Here's a bonus. Angola is a diamond-rich nation, and its wealth in natural resources. Angola is renowned for its significant diamond reserves. The country has been a major player in the diamond industry, with substantial diamond deposits found primarily in the northeastern regions. Has played a significant role in its economic development. Fact number 6. Angola is rich in cultural heritage. The National Museum of Anthropology exhibits a vast collection of artifacts, shedding light on the country's diverse ethnic groups and their traditions. Fact number 7. Angola's music scene is vibrant and diverse. From the rhythms of samba to the soulful melodies of kizomba, you'll be captivated by the unique sounds that fill the air. Angolan samba dance is a lively and energetic partner dance that originated in Angola. It is characterized by quick footwork, hip movements, and expressive gestures. Samba is often danced in close embrace, and the partners maintain a strong connection throughout the dance. The footwork is intricate, involving quick steps and syncopated rhythms, while the upper body movements are graceful and playful. Samba is not just a dance, but also a social activity, fostering a sense of community and celebration. Over time, it has influenced the development of other dance styles, including kizomba. Kizomba originated in Angola in the late 1970s, evolving from traditional Angolan samba music and incorporating influences from Caribbean zouk and French Caribbean compass. Initially emerging during a period of social and political change, kizomba's sensual dance style and melodic music gained popularity. It later spread globally, becoming a popular partner dance in our wide countries. Kizomba's distinct blend of African and international musical elements has contributed to its widespread appeal and enduring presence in the dance scene. Kizomba means party in Kimbundu, a Bantu language spoken by the Mbundu in Angola. Kizomba music emerged as a fusion of samba, Angolan merengue, kilaponga, and further Angolan music influences. Stronger bass line to the composition of instruments. Eduardo Paem is internationally recognized as the father creator of kizomba music, as he and his band were taking a major role in the development of the music style creation. Most kizomba songs are sung in Portuguese or a dialect from the various Portuguese-speaking African cultures. In Angola, most clubs are based in Luanda. Famous Angolan kizomba musicians include Need Vendi Nem, Don Kikas, C4 Pedro, Paulo Pascal, Hermes Verdades, Anselmo Ralph, among many others, but Bonga is probably the best-known Angolan artist, having helped popularize the style both in Angola and Portugal during the 1970s and 1980 seconds. Fact number 8. Angola is home to impressive wildlife. You can spot majestic creatures such as elephants, lions, and giraffes roaming freely in its national parks. Nature enthusiasts rejoice. Angola boasts diverse wildlife, ranging from savannas to dense rainforests. The country is home to various species, including elephants, giraffes, zebras, antelopes, and buffalo. Additionally, Angola's rivers and coastal areas host a variety of bird species, making it a haven for birdwatchers. In the southwestern part, you may find the critically endangered African wild dog. However, wildlife conservation faces challenges due to past conflicts and habitat loss. Efforts are underway to protect and preserve Angola's rich biodiversity through national parks and conservation initiatives. 9. Angola has a rich history and played a vital role in the fight against colonialism. Its past struggles shaped the nation and made it the resilient country it is today. Fact number 10. As you explore Angola, you'll be greeted by warm and welcoming people. Their vibrant spirit and genuine smiles will make you feel at home in this beautiful country. Angolan people are ethnically diverse, with a population comprising various ethnic groups, such as the Ovimbundu, Kimbundu, Bakongo, and others. Their cultural tapestry is rich, reflecting influences from indigenous traditions, Portuguese colonial history, and diverse ethnic practices. As we conclude our journey through the top 10 fascinating facts about Angola, remember that this incredible nation is not just a place on the map. It's a treasure trove of history, culture, and natural wonders waiting to be explored. Through the captivating wonders of Angola comes to an end, we hope you've been enthralled by the rich tapestry of this remarkable nation. From its breathtaking landscapes to the resilient spirit of its people, Angola invites us to celebrate diversity, history, and natural beauty. Thank you for watching Discovering Angola, unveiling the top 10 fascinating facts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Bonus fact: Angola is home to the Welwitschia mirabilis, a unique and ancient plant species. This remarkable desert plant is known for its longevity, with some individuals living for over 1,000 years.